Okay, look, you don't have to say it. I know what you're thinking. How come this video is late? How come you're not being as consistent with posting? Look, tell you what, this is what I need you to do, alright? I need you to get your phone. I need you to take out your phone. Open your phone. I need you to text my college professors. I need you to tell them, stop assigning so much homework because we need Broke Boy Kilar to keep making more content and post more consistently. Alright, so go ahead, take out your phone and go ahead and do that. Give him a call if you're really passionate about it. Give him a call. Tell him. Stop giving him homework. But yeah, honestly, I just haven't really had time to film and edit. So that's why videos are coming out a little bit late. Sorry about it. I'm trying my best to stay consistent. Let's just go ahead, roll this intro and get this video started. And what's going on, everybody? Broke Kilar back in with the project. Today we're going to be going over some Bape stuff. Maybe a Bape accessory, I guess you could call it. A Bape accessory. So it could be considered a Bape accessory, maybe. So here I have the 2020 spring collection lookbook, I guess. It's kind of just like, you know, like the preview of the upcoming season for Bape. So this was actually gifted to me. As you could see, there's a lot of Japanese here. That's because this was purchased in Japan. I believe it's from the Harajuku store, because I know there's several Bape stores in Japan. Maybe this one's from Shibuya. You know, I'm not sure which Bape store this is from specifically. Alright, so I could be wrong about this. I haven't really done my thorough research, but it seems like every season they come out with this. It's kind of like a lookbook. So they come out with these, it's like a magazine, but it also has this box inside, as you can see. So right here is like a magazine, inside is this box, and it's supposed to come with an item. These aren't that expensive. They're like a promotional item. It's like maybe $25, I think, something like that. So inside here we can see some nice Bape work. I don't know if this is supposed to be a poster or something, but yeah, there's like as you see, it goes backwards because it's from Japan, first of all. But yeah, here's like a little lookbook of the upcoming stuff. Pretty cool, pretty cool. As well as, you know, some of the, you know, a more in-depth with prices and a closer look at all this stuff. So they're dropping these Bape camo hoodies. I don't know if you can see it. I'll bring it closer, but this one is a shark hoodie, and the one next to it has the Bape head. Hopefully that focused, but yeah, those two look pretty sick. I think I may try to go for those. They're pretty nice, as well as some sweaters, long sleeves, all that cool stuff. This patchwork full zip is kind of cool. I don't really care for zippers, but I think this patchwork one is pretty cool. They're making a neon green shark hoodie. That one is cool, but I don't know if I'd be into it. They've got some crew necks that are kind of nice. I like this white one down here. They've got some pretty nice shirts coming out. I don't really rock too much like pants, like Bape pants. I don't even buy Supreme pants or anything, but that is pretty cool. And they also have shoes, backpacks, accessories, decks, as well as tableware. Sorry, I need to get a haircut. My hair is like really long. Their backpacks, I think the backpacks are pretty nice. They're very minimalistic. I do like the way that those look. They've also got like women's, children, and in fact there was a watch that I saw. I don't know where it went though, but the Bape X, which is a, there it is. So phone cases here and the Bape X, the watches. Very nice. So yeah, very cool. It comes with this lookbook, and it comes, I'm assuming, see, I can't read Japanese, but this is what I'm assuming is gonna be inside, is this right here inside of this box. So once you get to the end of the magazine, as you can see, here's the magazine. When you get to the end of it, there is this box. So we're gonna go ahead, crack this open. By the way, I got the lighter to fit in this. If you haven't seen the last video, I was struggling, but I have gotten a lighter to go in here. I still think I might take it off though. Alright, let's check this thing out. Oh, so first we got this strap right here. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be that duffel bag. Ooh, So okay, first of all, I think this right here, if you don't know, I have the 2 Supreme books, the big books. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it at the end of this video. You can go watch that one where I unbox the 2 Supreme books. This I feel like is another nice display piece, kind of similar to those big books. So this is kind of cool on shelf. This is a cool piece without the bag. Just this magazine itself is a cool piece. And here we have, I guess you could say this is kind of like a free bag. Like you buy it to see the magazine and it comes with this inside. So it's got the Bape camo plaster all over it. It's got the branding right here. Very nice. It's a flimsy duffel, perfect for like, I'd say like a gym bag. It's like a roughly that size. All black on the inside. Strap on the, what did I do with the, oh, it's on my neck. Hook these on right here. And there it is, pretty sick. I'm gonna stuff it with some jackets. Alright, so I know I'm not big dripping right now, but this is like my sleep shorts, because I am filming this at night and I'm going to sleep later on. So this is my sleep shorts, so disregard the shorts. So yeah, I guess this is what it looks like right here. You can adjust the strap. It's a cool duffel. Nice Bape camo plastered all over it. I don't even know if you can hear me or if you can see my face. You probably can't. Maybe if I move back. Yeah, and that's gonna be all that I have for this video. Basically, just wanted to show you this because this is the first time that I am seeing this piece. It's a pretty nice like promotional piece. I think it's really cool. I might start buying these more often because if it's only like $25, I don't know if you can get them. I don't know if you can get them online. Maybe you have to go in store. I don't know if it's every New Year's or every season, but this is for the 2020 spring collection. So I have a feeling that it is every season. I might want to start investing in these because for that price, and you get this stuff like this, like a duffel, that's a good price. So yeah, I really like this duffel bag. I'm probably gonna be using this. I don't know if I'm gonna take it to the gym because someone might steal it at the gym. Alright, I'm sorry that I've been inconsistent with the posting. I will try to be posting more consistently and filming more often. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have a great week and I'll see you next time. The truth.